boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Yeah, what we're doing right now is I've actually got a lot of stuff that I'm gonna kind of reveal in this video. Right now we're just going to get Nick. Some of you guys probably remember him. You guys haven't seen him on the channel here in a couple of weeks, but we're gonna change that today. So we're going to get him, and then when we get back to my house, I'm gonna reveal some new upgrades for the truck that I got. And yeah, just kind of more working on that. We're probably gonna end up putting the bed back on today. Maybe get the body mounts for the bed installed. We'll probably do that all at the same time. It just depends on how many people we can get. Right now we only have 3, and with 3 people we're pretty much just gonna be able to put the bed on and not be able to hold it up and have somebody else slide the body mounts under. So you guys know what I'm saying. But yeah, so we're gonna go get him, and then I will show you guys the new stuff that I got for the truck, because I got a freaking smoking deal on this stuff. So yeah. Okay, I don't know what this boy's doing. Boy, what are you doing?
What is this?
What? Oh, that's for my new truck mod that I haven't revealed yet to the people. I got my car a little dirty when I put it in here. It's not a gun, it's a BB gun.
It's still a gun.
He just jumped into the freaking creek.
Jared was like, hey man, what are you
doing
doing today? And I was like, helping Nate put his bed back on his truck, and he goes, let me know if he needs a hand. And I was like, what?
I mean, I kind of do need a hand, but
From Jarrett though?
it doesn't matter who does it, but I don't know. All I know is that we're gonna need another person, but
Jarrett might be the guy.
yeah, we'll see.
I got juice.
Yeah, so what was that other stuff that you were...
What are you doing?
Trying not to fall like 30 feet. How'd that song go? Zuma Zuma? That with that fucking fat guy? Remember that? Like 10? Yeah, that guy. Okay, Nick, no more dicking around. We got shit to do. So, these are the things I was talking about before that I bought for truck upgrades. We have a big old freaking toolbox, and we have this Weston bull bar with a license plate bracket. But basically, Nick, hold that right up there on the frame rails. I think that's how we're gonna have to mount it. Just like slip it right in there. Because we're probably gonna have to modify it a little bit and make it a little bit longer to clear the bumper, but yeah, because the people that had it before, they cut it right off their car, so we're gonna weld it to something, but I think it'll look pretty sick. So this I got for a steal. These are like 340 bucks or so, and I got it for 40 bucks, so can't really beat that. And then there's this toolbox that are normally like 120, 130 brand new, and I got it for 25 bucks. So, and the locks are, the reason it was so cheap, it doesn't come with keys, so you kind of need to, like, here, hold this camera, Nick. You just need to basically like smack the lock, because it's kind of rusty, but it does open. And I'm gonna end up mounting something pretty cool in this. Did I tell you, Nick, yet what's gonna go in here?
No, you did not tell me what's going on.
Alright, I don't know if I really wanna, I'll just say it. I'm putting a train horn in here. So, yeah, I needed somewhere to mount a train horn. And,
You're gonna get an air compressor?
it's all gonna go in here. I'm gonna have an air compressor, a train horn. It's gonna be friggin' sick. I'm probably gonna cut a hole in the bottom of it so it's louder. Dude, it's gonna be nuts. So for this and this, I paid like 60 something, 65 bucks, something like that. And
Can I buy all these for $200?
Oh, some freaking kid. So I've been trying to sell these tires, all right? because I want to get 37s or 38s. These are 35s. So this kid on like Facebook, Craigslist or whatever.
Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, he's like, hey, you still got those tires for sale? And I look at the kid's profile and I'm like, all right, there's no way that this kid has freaking 800, 900 bucks like I'm asking for these, because these are at least 2 something or 3 something a piece.
You just sell the tires?
Yeah, so the ad was just for the tires, and the kid was like, can you just sell the tires? I was like, that's what the fucking ad says. Like,
no, that's not what it says. You gotta be more specific.
so basically I got into this big whole Facebook beef with some kid because he wanted to buy all of these tires for 200 bucks. So yeah, basically fuck that. So not a lot of people are actually, I like discounted these like crazy. Like I paid like $1,300 for them, and they still got real good tread and nobody wants them. So we'll have to see. I might just run the 35s for a little bit and then put the 37s on it. We'll have to see what it looks like after it's lifted, but we'll find that out today because we're gonna put the bed on. So yeah. You know, just gonna pop a couple rounds into Nick. If he didn't have my pellets. No, we're not gonna shoot the ducks. Ow. We're just waiting for that thing to charge a little bit because it's doesn't get driven and it goes dead, so yeah. You're gonna have to. All right, there's a piece of foam. That's okay.
I'm down.
Okay, while Nick's over there taking selfies, me and Matt, well, Matt just got here, but we got the bed on, and Nick did help, so yeah, finally for once, Nick helped with something. We got the bed on. Right now we're just gonna tighten it up, but you guys can see the difference.
I'm in the NASCAR.
Yeah, the bed is lifted right now. Shut up!
I'm in the NASCAR.
I'll kill you. So this is,
Making a left turn.
I will come over there and beat your ass.
What are we doing?
What did we do, Nick? What did we do?
Well, let's see. We put the bed on, and then we put all these here. We put all these here screws in.
They're bolts, but okay.
All the bolts in. Sorry. We put 6 of them in total with the washers on, and now we just gotta put the bolts on.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna just tighten them up. We got one right here. Yeah. Well, nuts are already on. I just need to tighten them. So we've got all the body bushings in here. This one's not gonna get a bolt through it because there's no hole in the bed right there. So we're just gonna do the other ones and hope it holds.
It'll press on.
Yeah, I think it'll be fine. So, but this is gonna be the difference here. You know, I never got pulled over before, but I feel like I probably might now because it's gonna be big. So
It's still gonna stand out just as much.
yeah.
Pink and orange are basically the same.
No, if anything, it'll stand out more now because it's gonna be bright as hell, like the color.
We're just gonna think that you're a town worker.
Yeah, they'll think I'm just like DOT or something. But anyway, we're gonna get these friggin' things in. And yeah, but this is pretty much what it's gonna look like when that goes up higher. It looks kind of dumb right now, but
It's only because of the 2 colors.
well, it's because the bed's higher than the cab
It
too.
looks fine.
But it looks fine.
Just looks like the suspension's a little screwy.
Yeah, so we're gonna do this, and that's pretty much what we're gonna get done for today. Dribble a little bit of them Loctites in there. Just so it's Loctite. Oh, it's dripping on me. You can go.
Forward passenger now.
Yeah.
Experiencing some technical difficulties.
It's stuck.
We will be back to you after these messages.
It's stuck.
Do you have erectile dysfunction? I think we all know somebody that does.
It's not me.
Little blue pill, solve your problem.
I don't need it, Nick. It was one time.
The first step,
One time.
the first step is admitting that you have a problem.
Nick, it was one time. This thing is stuck.
In the arms of the angels. For just 50 cents a day, you can feed this malnourished child. Fly away
Come on, Nick.
in the arms of... And we now return to your featured broadcast.
Where's the Loctite?
So here, my hand.
Oh, thanks, boy.
Hey, hey.
Yay, yay, yay.
General Yee Yee coming to you.
Okay. You know what I'm doing, boy?
Yeah, he's on it already.
Oh. Okay. Need the swivel stick, actually. This ain't gonna fit in there. Technical difficulty. We need a swivel extension. We need a swivel extension. It's in a toolbox.
Please donate 50 cents.
Budget's in the truck. Robert, move your wiener. Yeah, it must be the truck. It's not that one. The fuck is my swivel extension?
Little Matumbe here had his parents killed by the village chief himself.
Macumbe.
They had to feed the rest of the tribe, so they were macheted.
Now he takes care of his malnourished brother over here, Dikembe.
Okay, Mr. Can't even climb the fucking thing using his arms.
Yeah, but look at you're so malnourished. And then there's the only person wearing a long sleeve shirt here.
Go slow.
Good?
Just freaking hammer it. Good. That's probably fine. Alrighty, so we've got all the bolts tightened down. The bed's not going anywhere. So, hey Matt, you want to come give it the lift test for the people and show them that the bed's not going to fall off now?
Alright.
Just give it a nice lift right there on the back. Just give it a nice old lift. So you can see it's nice and friggin' bolted in there. Put the Loctite and everything on it. So, I figured I'd just give you guys one last look at the thing. What it's going to look like. It's way bigger. I don't know if you can really tell on the camera, but it's freaking nasty. So yeah, that's it's definitely gonna be a thing. I think what I need to do is I'll shut this tailgate here and show you guys real quick. But since we went up 3 inches and the bumpers stay where they are, we're gonna have to make something so that that big gap isn't there. So I'm thinking I'm gonna probably put a piece of what's it called, like diamond step, like plating across that to fill that gap. So yeah, that's should be pretty sick. And then of course we're gonna put bigger tires on it, so it's actually even gonna go bigger than that. But that's what we're dealing with right now. We still gotta do the cab stuff, but now the bed's back on, so we can get going with all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe down below. We really appreciate you guys watching and subscribing and everything like that. So yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and do that, like, subscribe, we'll come back at you as soon as we get some more stuff done with this thing. Alrighty guys, thank you all for watching. Okay, I challenged Nick to a thing.
Can I jump?
You have to climb up just using your arms.
Yeah, but can I jump like to that one?
How are you gonna jump if you're only using your arms?
Can I start here, or do I have to start on the ground?
Start on the ground and only use your arms. No, you can't jump. You just gotta use your arms. Come on. Hey Nick, you're kind of struggling a little bit. Oh, you almost fell. Come on, Nick. Come on, Nick.
Oh shit.
Use that upper body strength, Nick. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. You gonna do it? Oh, using your knees. What are you doing? You're cheating. You just used your knees. Nick cheated. Completely cheated.
You didn't say no knees.
I said using only your arms.
You can't do it.
I can't do it?
You can't do it.
You wanna bet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Nathan Crowell, same challenge.
Ready? No knees like Nick, okay?
Bitch. Knees!
Yeah, but I'm at the top now. You used your knees way down there.